All right, final step here. We're going to check it for the one last time, and it should be right in the middle or a little bit higher. I'm going to take it all the way out, and you can see it's about 2 from the end, which is fine. So we're done. We're good. All right, I've got a special funnel that has like a back tail valve on it. We're probably going to put like half a tank of gas in there and run it and just see if it fires up okay. I'm going to go ahead, once we get it filled up with gas and sealed, I'm going to plug it in to the electric start and see if it'll fire up. All right, the fuel is in. I did about half. You can kind of see it in there. Didn't really need a funnel. That pours out pretty steadily out of there. So I'm going to plug it in and give it a second. I double checked the oil level. I was 2 down from the top. So we should be good to fire it up here. Try the electric start first. All right, I got it plugged in. This is the run switch. It's not really, wish you could just say like idle run. But I think that's the symbol. Prime, I'm assuming that's the safety key. So we'll leave that in, and the electric start, I have it plugged in. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a couple primes. See if I can get some gas pumped in there. That's probably enough. And let me clear this electrical outlet. Get it away from it. And I'm going to open the garage door just for a little bit of ventilation. I'm just going to start it really quick and then turn it off. And we'll run outside after we're ready to go. So I'm not going to pull the handle to do the electric start. Make sure it's disengaged. I did a little prime. Let's see what happens. Right, fired right up on the first time. That's cool. All right, one last wrap up. I'm keeping the box for at least a week or two, see how we do. Yeah, fired right up. Sounded pretty good. Running idle. We're supposed to get some snow tomorrow, so we should be good to go. Like I said, I greased that a little bit. Couple things right here with the nuts. Check the oil. Make sure that when you check it after filling it and using part of that smaller bottle, you go from right here about halfway in, clean it off, put it back in halfway. Should be in the middle, but yeah, seems pretty good. Smells good. We'll give it a shot tomorrow. I got some sidewalk to clear from the last snow, and also got some fresh snow coming. But hopefully this extra horsepower will get through this heavy stuff. All right, bye for now. I'd give it a 4 on the instructions. Could be better. I think when I went online, they had more explicit instructions with some definite step-by-step verbiage. But it did say to change the oil after 2 hours, so I did get an extra couple bottles, so we'll do that exercise again after we run it for about another week and get everything cleaned up out front. Bye for now.